back to my channel, The Baking Diva. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're not going to bake. I hope that's okay with you. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I don't know, maybe I'm getting a little sentimental because Mother's Day is Sunday, or maybe because spring is here. I don't know, just been thinking about a lot of things. And you know the song, Through the Years. Everybody knows that. Do you know that, cameraman?
I
Through
do.
the years, you never let me down.
Was that Kenny Rogers?
I don't know, and I'm not a singer. But anyway, you all know the song Through the Years. Well, I'm going to do this video, and I'm going to call it Through the Hairs. Are you laughing at me? I hope not. You know I'm cray-cray, but it's not nice to laugh. No, seriously, I'm going to do Through the Hairs. I have never been intimidated by my hair. I've had it long, I've had it short, I've had it dark, I've had it light. Who cares? It's just hair. If it's too light, make it darker. If it's too long, cut it. If it's too short, let it grow. It's just hair. So I decided to put a little video together from when I was younger, and it'll give you a little peek at some of the hairstyles I've had over the years. I always used to tell the cameraman when he came home from work or he went to bed, what I used to tell you, cameraman?
Hello?
No. You never know who you're coming home to, right? You have a different girl all the time, right?
You're the only girl I've ever had, so it's not true.
Well, anyway, I also want to tell you that I'm inserting some family pictures in there because Mother's Day is coming. So if you're not too bored by the video, I tried not to make it too long. Stick around till the end and you'll get a chance here and there to see a lot of my family pictures that are very precious to me. Some of them are very old, so they're not going to be in perfect condition, but I thought you'd like to take a little look. So anyway, I hope all the mothers out there have a wonderful Mother's Day. All the stepmothers, all the mothers of pets, everybody have a happy Mother's Day. Enjoy my video, and if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. In fact, give me 2 thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And you know how much I love to hear your comments. So make a comment. I have a funny feeling after you see these photos, some of you are going to make one. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. And cameraman, let the show begin. Begin now with some baby pictures of mine, and you'll start to see in the pictures of me when I was a young girl, I have these fancy dresses on. My grandmother was a great seamstress and she sewed all these dresses for me, my communion dress and everything else. You'll see a birthday party with a cake on the table and she made the cake. So I guess I take after her, not in the sewing department, but in the baking. So enjoy. Toodles!